It's a video about a doorbell camera. It caught an alien walking down on the side of it. You barely see it, but I mean, it's going viral. It's gonna be on the right bottom corner side. See him? That's crazy. They're starting to come out, I guess, more into like the view. You see what I'm saying? Look. So y'all think he lives somewhere around there? He's had it arrived in something, right? Parked it somewhere or somebody's house. Somebody might just have him as a pet or something, right? Think about it. He didn't just appear there. He's gotta have a little spaceship, or someone probably has him at their house. I'm telling you, some ET type shit. That's crazy.